Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XZ2 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar by tapping on it. Then click on this icon at the bottom right corner twice and select Got It. Now you can finally click on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, create an event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and selecting Event option. Now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, choose starting or ending hour. You can also disable this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Over here, take notes, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, or even change color. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always delete it though by clicking on it, tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. If you don't want to delete it, just edit it, click on this pen icon at the top right corner as well, make your changes. So sorry, misclick. Make your changes and tap on save. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!